Gentlemen, this is command task 2, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
likewise command task 1, this CT also has 3 approaches. This one, and this one, right? So all the rules are applicable as earlier, color rule, distance rule, okay, rule of rigidity, all these rules are applicable, right?
Yes, sir.
So if we talk about this particular structure, these are two parallel pipes in which we have two slots in front and two protrusions in the back. ठीक है, दो प्रोट्रूजन आगे हैं, दो प्रोट्रूजन पीछे की साइड है पाइप से. ठीक है, और इनके बीच में आप देख सकते हो देयर इज अ सर्टेन हाइट डिफरेंस. अब वो हाइट डिफरेंस का आप किस तरह से मैनेज करोगे, दैट यू विल सी. नाउ इफ वी सी दिस पर्टिकुलर अप्रोच, यहाँ पे एक इन्वर्टेड एल टाइप स्ट्रक्चर है हमारे पास. दिस पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रक्चर इज वाइट फ्रॉम द टॉप, okay, and there's a pipe, it is blue and the ring is white. ठीक है, रिंग को आप किसी भी तरह से इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो, इट्स अप टू यू. एंड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर अप्रोच वी हैव अ रिंग दैट इज टाइड विद अ चेन. ठीक, जो इसकी चेन है, चेन इज ब्लू एंड दिस रिंग इज वाइट. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ब्लू कलर?
Sorry, only human body can touch it.
ओनली ह्यूमंस कैन टच, राइट? तो आप जो जो चेन है इसको इस तरह से इस्तेमाल करोगे कि आपका हेल्पिंग मेटल इसको टच ना करे. गॉट इट?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let us move to the third structure, in which you can see we have two parallel pipes having two protrusions in the front. ठीक है, पीछे की साइड में we have a goal post type structure, जो इस यहाँ बीच वाला पार्ट इसका रेड है और नीचे की साइड में इसमें भी दो प्रोट्रूजन्स निकले हुए हैं. ठीक है, आया समझ स्ट्रक्चर? ओके, सो who will be the commander for this? I need a volunteer. Okay, so for this task chest number 11 will be the commander. Okay, so chest number 11,
Yes, sir.
you have to come inside of this circle, right? And with the help of your subordinates you have to draw the structure. You have to make a structure, make a bridge by any of these approaches. Got it? Okay, so you can start.
So, sir, we will use first approach from this
Sure.
structure.
You can come with this. So what we are going to do, commander, now?
Yes, sir. Sir, we will put the plank over this structure, this white one. So our main support will be available.
Okay, do it. Okay, well, commander, so using your first approach, that plank over main support,
Yes,
so
sir.
you have made a main support. तो अभी ये जो इन्वर्टेड एल है ये प्लैंक को नीचे नहीं जाने देगा. सो वी नीड अ बैक सपोर्ट एज वेल.
Yes, sir.
तो बैक सपोर्ट कैसे बनेगा?
Sir, we will use a bully in this ring and in this chain with the ring.
ओके, डू इट. Okay, well, so the commander, the bridge has been made.
Yes, sir.
Go. So what do you think? All the definitions and all the laws has been satisfied.
Yes, sir.
दो जो हमारी मेन सपोर्ट की डेफिनेशन बोलती है, मेन सपोर्ट इज समथिंग ओवर विच वी कैन पुट अ प्लैंक एंड इट वोंट गो डाउन, क्या सेटिस्फाई हो रही है?
Yes, sir.
बैक सपोर्ट की डेफिनेशन दैट सेज बैक सपोर्ट इज समथिंग अंडर विच वी कैन पुट अ प्लैंक एंड इट वोंट गो अप, सेटिस्फाई हो रही है?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. सो नाउ वी विल वेरीफाई द लॉज. इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ ब्रिज वी हैव लर्न दैट प्लैंक विल बी ओवर द मेन सपोर्ट. क्या प्लैंक मेन सपोर्ट के ऊपर है?
Yes, sir.
क्या प्लैंक बैक सपोर्ट के नीचे है?
Yes,
क्या
sir.
बल्ली के नीचे है?
Yes, sir.
एंड एज दिस plank is perfectly horizontal, so DHS equals to TP is also satisfied.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, so this bridge is perfectly done. Okay, so now as you will go outside, so this bridge has been collapsed. Now your subordinates can retrieve the helping material and by using rest of these two approaches they can make the bridge.
Chest number 12, please use this second approach.
Okay, so commander, what will we do now?
Sir, we will put the bully over this pipe
Mm-hmm.
and we will put the plank over. We will put the plank inside that goal post.
Mm-hmm.
So our main support and back support will available.
Okay.
And
Do.
friends, chest number 10, please put the value over this pipe, and chest number 12.
Okay. So commander, the definitions has been satisfied.
Yes sir.
Main support and back support.
Yes sir.
All three laws got satisfied.
Yes sir.
Okay. So commander, what if the upper part of this goal post has also turned red? मतलब जो ऊपर का जितना भी पार्ट है इस गोल पोस्ट का रेड कलर से ऊपर वो भी पूरा रेड हो गया, फिर उसके बाद आप क्या करोगे?
Sir, we can use a rope and in that pipes which were in the goal post, and we have available the back. Then we can have the back support. So, sir, we will use this approach.
Okay. Ask them to do.
Chest number 9, please tie the rope.
आगे करो ब्लैंक, आगे करो ब्लैंक, और आगे कर, और आगे कर, करता रहा बिल्कुल आगे, और आगे कर, और आगे कर, और आगे कर, मतलब गोल पोस्ट के नीचे नहीं होना चाहिए ब्लैंक. चलो. So commander, your subordinates have made this. They have tied the rope on the pipes that are given below in the goal post. So using the rope, this bridge has got a back support, right? And it will not touch the upper part of the goal post. So do you think all the definitions and laws got satisfied?
Yes sir.
Okay. So as this bully will not let it go down, it will create a main support, and this rope will not let it go up, it will create a back support, right? So likewise other solutions can also be made, like we can tie the rope on the front protrusions, that will create a main support, and those two protrusions behind can have the bully below them, so that will act as a back support, right? So subordinates, two approach has been done, so you are left with the third approach. Go with that. Commander, what do we do now?
Sir, we will use the bully on that parallel lines, those pipes which are heading toward us. We will use the bully, so our main support will be created, and from a backside pipe we will use the small one bully, so that our back support will be available.
Okay, do it. So the bridge has been made, Commander.
Yes sir.
All the definitions and laws has been satisfied.
Yes sir.
Okay, so you can come outside of this. Okay, Commander. The task has been finished.
Yes sir.
Okay, very well. Good.
Hello everyone, welcome to the recommended and not recommended series of SSB Wings. Myself Rajiv Singh Raghuvanshi, and I take care of second interview at SSB Wings. In this video, we will discuss another picture